Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this February the 9th, 2026. I'm hoping everybody had a great Monday out there so far, but it is a great Monday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather. Cut your weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we've been taking a look at the storm system moving across the country. Also, take a look at your local forecast. Also, we're going to take a look at your current watch and warning advisory map. Take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook for a few areas of general thunderstorms expected, and we're going to take a look at the snowfall totals over the next 16 days. So stick around to the entire video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not already. Like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road there, folks. Alright, as you can see, we got a little system here moving across Mexico, stretching into Texas and a portion of Oklahoma. You can see the atmospheric moisture moving into California, also in a portion of Oregon State, stretching all the way through Nevada, Utah, all the way into areas of Dakotas, Nebraska, all the way over toward Michigan, Lake Superior, Lake Huron, also over here portion of northeastern U.S., from Pennsylvania up into Vermont, New Hampshire, and portion of Maine, across South Canada as well. Alrighty, let's move on to the local forecast. Now we're going to start off with your Tuesday outlook. Should roll out something like this here. Okay, as you can see, we got snow flying from portion of New Brunswick to Maine and Massachusetts, Connecticut, New York State, Lake Huron, Lake Superior, over toward Michigan, Wisconsin, northeast Minnesota, South Canada. Heavy snow over portions of New York State. Got some freezing rain over portions of New York State and Pennsylvania. Mixed precipitation also from Connecticut to Rhode Island, Pennsylvania, Ohio to West Virginia, portion of Virginia, Kentucky, and also portion of Ohio. We got more mixed precipitation over here in portion of Montana, Washington State, Oregon, Idaho, Wyoming, Colorado, Utah, Nevada, California, and Arizona region as well. We got some heavy snow in the mountains of California. Shower activity across portions of central and western Washington State. Also some shower activity across southwestern Canada with some thunderstorms also in areas of California, southern California. I think I said Canada, but southern California and into central California. Got some thunderstorms and showers. Thunderstorms and showers also from portions of Mexico to West Texas to New Mexico to Arizona. And then we got showers from New Mexico to Texas to Oklahoma to Mississippi to Alabama, Western North Carolina, Tennessee, Kentucky to Missouri and Arkansas region as well. Otherwise, make dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Tuesday. Alright, let's roll on into your Wednesday outlook now. And it should roll out something like this here. Across the board. Okay, should be coming up here in just a second. Okay, you can see we still got snow from portions of New Brunswick to Maine to New Hampshire to New York State. Somehow I just took it down all of a sudden, but anyway, you can see it should come back up here in a minute. Just reloading the information. Well, we'll get back to that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the shower activity down here across southeast North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Tennessee, Kentucky, to Arkansas, to Mississippi, to Alabama, and Georgia region, western North Carolina. There's that snow what I was talking about from Maine to West Virginia, Michigan, Lake Huron, Lake Superior, portion of Wisconsin. Also got some heavy snow over portion of Maine. Got shower and thunderstorm activity over here in California, central and southern California, the coastal waters. Got some heavy snow in portions of the California mountain chain. And then we got mixed precipitation in portions of areas of California, Oregon, Nevada, southern California, Arizona, New Mexico to Colorado, Wyoming, Montana, Idaho, and Utah regions as well. A little bit in portions of South Dakota, Minnesota, and portion of northwest Iowa as well. Otherwise, big dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Wednesday. Alright, let's move on to the current watch and warning advisory map. You're locating across the nation, and it should roll out something like this here. Alright, we got winter weather advisories up here in portions of Maine to portions of New Hampshire, portions of Vermont, New York State, northern Michigan, portions of Wisconsin, also here in California with winter storm warnings in the mountain chain. We got some dense fog advisory down here across the Panhandle of Florida, southern Alabama, Mississippi, and portions of Louisiana and the coastal waters. Wind advisory with southern California, portions of Nevada, and also we have some red flag warnings for you guys here in Texas to Oklahoma to portions of Kansas, Colorado, and New Mexico. High wind warnings up here in areas of Wyoming, special weather statements, and also some areas of flood watches in effect for eastern and central portion of Nebraska. Let's see, did I leave anything out? Got some air quality alerts up here in portion of Pennsylvania as well. Alright, small craft advisory, gale warning from Maine all the way down to the Outer Banks of North Carolina and the coastal waters out 250 nautical miles offshore. Southern California to Washington State, same out 250 nautical miles offshore. Also around the Hawaiian Chain Island, got high wind warnings, flood advisories, and flood watches there as well. Alaska region got some storm warnings, small craft advisory, blizzard warnings around the coastal areas. Inland, we have some extreme cold weather warnings to the north. Also has some cold weather advisories in the lighter blue, winter storm warnings here in the pink, freezing spray warnings to the southwest, blizzard warnings in the red, and winter weather advisories. Here's one here at the coastal areas, northern and southeastern areas of Alaska, with some small winter weather advisories. Couldn't get it out, but here we go. All right, let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center outlook. Should roll out something like this here. Alright, general thunderstorms again, once again from Los Lacrosse to El Paso to Fort Stockton, Texas area, and southern New Mexico, Fresno to San Francisco, Sacramento areas, general thunderstorm. Alright, that's for your day number 2. Day 3, pretty much similar location, so that's about where day 3 would be as well. Alright, here's a look at the snowfall totals over the next 16 days. The heavy snow over portions of South Canada, southeastern Canada, stretching over New Brunswick, Maine, portions of Virginia, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, New York State, then again across portions of Dakota, Minnesota, Wisconsin, northern Michigan, Lake Huron, Lake Superior, then again over here in portions of New Mexico to Arizona, all the way through Utah, Nevada, California, Oregon, Washington, Idaho, Montana, and the Wyoming states in southwestern Canada. Elsewhere looks about generally maybe from a dusting to 3 to 4 inches of snow elsewhere, but you can see that pretty much the snow line is beginning to shift back to the north, and it should begin to continue that forward March as we continue to roll forward through time. The snow line should start lifting back to the north and begin to back in Canada as most of the storm system is going to move across the central U.S. and then across the portions of the mid-Atlantic and northeast, bring snow to you guys. Severe weather is going to ramp up sometime probably in the next couple of weeks. Would not be surprised to see a severe weather episode coming up sometime maybe this weekend across portions of the southeast. Right now they have nothing highlighted yet, but if we get enough instability in the atmosphere, there could be some strong to severe thunderstorms across the Carolinas, Georgia, Mississippi, Alabama, maybe back toward Louisiana and Texas. So we'll continue to monitor that just to see if that happens. The other day it looked like it was going to snow. Now it looks like we may be in the warm sector, could be bringing some severe weather possibly to portions of the southeast and southern U.S. coming up this weekend. So, alright, well, hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful Monday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got.